Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Guru and you are watching Guru Design Lab, and today's SOLIDWORKS tutorial we are going to model this flange coupling component. Step by step we will cover how to create the main cylindrical body and add the flange, use the circular pattern tool of these 6 holes and apply correct fillets and chamfers based on the technical drawings. Whether you are a beginner or looking to practice your CAD skills, this exercise is perfect for you, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notification so you never miss a tutorial. So let's open your SolidWorks and get started. So first we need to close this exercise and then we will start from a sketch. Then go to a new part and select a part and then OK. Select any plane like top plane, front plane. You can select top plane and then a sketch. Go to a sketch tab and select circle and create a circle at the origin point of dia 45 and 50. Then go to features tab and select extrude boss base and extrude it up to 60 mm. And then OK. You can select this face and then a sketch and create a circle at this origin point, and this dimension is 120. Then create a circle for PCD holes of the diameter 90 mm and create it for construction. Select the circle and select it for construction, and then we will need to create a center line at this point. Then create a circle at this point of 10 mm. Then go to a sketch pattern, linear sketch pattern, and then select circular sketch pattern and create this entities to pattern. Select this circle and 4 intentions are needed. Then select 6, then OK. Then select, go to features tab and select extrude boss base and extrude it up to 20 mm and then OK. And then select this face and then go to a sketch. Select this face, corner, and go to convert entities and go to features tab, select extrude cut and cut it up to 20 mm and then OK. You can see here. Then after we need to apply chamfer. Select this edge and this edge and this edge, and this diameter is 2 mm. Then OK. Then select this corner and go to chamfer tab and select it for 2.5 mm and then OK. Select this edge and go to fillet tab and select it for radius 3 mm. You can see here this radius is 3 mm and then OK. Then we need to apply some colors on this face. Select this face and go to appearance tab and select any color you need to apply, you want to apply, and then OK. Select this face, sorry, first you need to select this face and then we are going to the appearance tab and then select any colors you need to apply. And that's how you model this flange component in SolidWorks. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give a thumbs up and share it with your fellow designers. If you ran into any issues or have any questions about the steps, or drop a comment below. I read and reply to all of them. And make sure to subscribe to Guru Design Lab for more step-by-step tutorials every week. You can click right here for watch our previous exercise and check out the playlist curated by just for you. Thank you so much for watching. I am Guru and I will see you in the next video. Keep designing, keep growing. Thank you guys.